This is the Old Guy Network.
Hey, welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay. You know who you are. Before we get started, hey, if you know you're going to like this video, so please hit that like button. Kind of looks like that thing right there. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, isn't it? But go ahead, hit that like button, share the videos. That's the best thing you can do for this channel. It helps me. It tells YouTube to suggest my videos to other people. And before you know it, I have more than 130 subscribers, because that's what I got right now. And I just did a little bit of research and realized that 15% of the people who watch these videos and actually like the videos and have left comments, 15% are subscribed to the channel. That means 85% of you out there watching these videos are not subscribed. What are you doing? Come on, let's bring that up to 25, 30%. If we get that up to 25 or 30%, man, I'd have enough subscriptions on here. Man, I'd have subscribers just all over the place, and that would be nice. So take a second, hit that subscribe. It's that little red word right underneath the video, so go ahead and do that. Okay, well, lately I've been doing a lot of stuff in the shed, you know that, and I've got some more unboxings coming up, and I've got some more information about how we're going to do more unboxings. That's on the way as well. But I just wanted to let you know, a lot of the stuff I've been doing are the rustic flags, and as we get closer to the 4th of July, you start thinking about stuff, you know. If you're a patriot and you're looking at a flag, you think of certain things. And I've been thinking about this country, like everybody else has. You know, we're going through some stuff, some very rough times. But the other day, I got a comment on a video. It's my second most popular video, and what it is a video on an unboxing I did. It was the update to an unboxing I did on a table saw. And so why am I bringing this up? Well, just stay with me, okay? If you look at this comment here, this person said he got his 3 weeks ago. He got the same saw that I reviewed, and he's very happy with it. We're not going to get into everything, but the last part was, but gosh, wish we could get it for under 300 pounds in the UK. Here it costs at least 500 pounds, and that's about $625, but it's worth it. And that's, you know, that's the same saw that you can get here for anywhere from $275 to $300. So you start to think, well, you know, that's quite a difference. It really is. And we kind of take that for granted, that we have these things available to us, and a little cheaper than other places in the country or in the world. Now, if you go under here, this is somebody who replied to him and says, now imagine how is this here in Slovenia. Now, that saw that I reviewed wasn't even available there, but another saw, the FlexVolt 54-volt bundle with 2 batteries, is 1,750 euros, which is almost $2,000 US. Now, I looked up that saw. Here, you can get it for about $475. That's quite a difference. So anyway, this guy decided to order the saw that I did review, and he had to get it through Amazon Germany and have it shipped to his employer's warehouse address in Italy, about a mile from the border of Slovenia, and then 15 miles from where he lives. So he spent around 30 euros on shipping and paid approximately 500 euros for a total of $570 US total. Now think about that for a second. It's a saw here you can get for about $300 less, almost, you know, give or take $300, $275 less. But that's not the main thing. The main thing is, most people here, we worry about 2-day shipping, right? We want to get our stuff as fast as possible. We take this for granted. This is a guy that wanted the same thing that other people wanted, the same saw that I wanted, and he had to go through Germany and then have it shipped to Italy and then have it shipped again to Slovenia. Now, you know that wasn't 2 days shipping, okay? He paid a lot more for it, and he had to jump through a lot of hoops. Now, I know this isn't a real important thing to most people, but it's one of those little things that we don't think about. We We just look on Amazon, or we look on other sites and say, hey, I want that. Can I get it 2-day shipping? Oh, it's going to take 3 days, and we get upset about it. This is a guy that had to go through all that just to get a saw. So remember that as we get to the 4th of July and you start thinking about your country, and yeah, things are not perfect, and in many ways, things are bad with some people. A lot of people lost their jobs the past few months. A lot of people have gone through a lot of hardship, but we still have a lot of things in this country that are just wonderful. They're just great. We take them for granted. I know I've said this at least 3 times, but we do. When you're thirsty, you can go out to your kitchen and you can get a glass of water. Some people in third world nations, they have to walk a mile to get clean water. So think about that. And a table saw, something that simple. I want a table saw. I'm going to have it shipped through 3 countries to get it. Well, that's what they have to do. For us, we jump in the truck and we go to Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever, and we can pick up the same saw a lot cheaper, and we can get it the same day. So we're very fortunate in many, many ways. So that's it. That's a quick video. Just wanted to share that with you. If you haven't seen that video, it's a really good review too. It is. If you're looking for a table saw, it's not a bad review to look at. And don't forget, I will leave I'll leave a link to that in the description, so that you can look at that video if you'd like to. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, boy, I sure could use one right now. It's a little chilly here in Maine. It's only about 70 degrees, so a nice cup of coffee would be good. Check out my coffee page. Again, there is a link in the description. And that's going to do it for me, for the Old Guy Network. I am the Old Guy, the OG, and I'm out. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Oh.